Hey guys, welcome to Restore Bin. My name is Kushal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your WordPress theme as well as change the appearance. So in my previous video I have shown how to log in into WordPress and then also do some preliminary important setup. So that link I'm going to share at the below. In this video we are mainly focusing on how to change the theme, how to add the menu links, as well as adding or removing the widgets, and looking at the customization and theme editor. So I already written a blog post on this, you can find here on my restorebin.com. So if you go and see here the table of content, you will get to know what all things we are going to cover in this, and this post also highlights the same thing which I'm going to cover in this video. So let's start off with changing the WordPress theme. So I already have my demo.restorebin.com logged in. So here you can see this is the default theme which is already active on the WordPress site now. Whenever you install the latest default theme would be active. Let's go ahead and change the theme. So let me click on dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Within the dashboard, go to appearance and you will have an option called as themes. In the themes there are already a couple of other themes which are uploaded, which came pre-installed, but the current one theme is 2019, which is active. So if you hover on this other two themes, you can see the button active on this. However, you won't be able to see on this. That means the theme 2019 is active. Now just in case if you want to add some other themes which are not already installed, you can just go click on add new and select from the existing theme library. So you can search for any theme. There are feature filters like what themes you are looking for, especially if it's a e-commerce or a news or holiday or whatever it is. Just go select it and apply filters and you will get the list of all the themes. So in my case I'm not going to install any theme because I would be dependent on the themes which are already there. And also, just in case if you have if you have downloaded any theme from the external website or purchased any paid premium theme from any of the external sources, then what you can do is you can go and upload the theme in here. So all you need to do is choose that zip file and install now. So that theme would be started appearing in this theme section. For me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just switch to a theme which is 2016 instead of 2019, which is active right now. So let me just quickly click on active. So this has activated. If I visit my site, you would be able to see the change in the theme. So earlier it was a one page, now it has the block content as well as the sidebar. So in this way you can change the theme. Now moving on to the second topic, which is adding the menu links. So under the appearance you have something called as menu. So menu is nothing but the quick links. So if I go and scroll at the top here, so you can see these are the links. These are nothing but the menu links that I have added in my restorebin.com. So to create the menu links, what you need to do is you need to go and visit the menu under the appearance and just give a name to a menu. Say suppose it's top bar. Click on create menu, and here you have the display location which you can select. So if I may select as a primary menu, and then it will go at the top bar, something similar to like this. And then I can add the pages or the post which are there in this already, or the categories. So all I can add it from here. So since I don't have any pages or post in my blog right now, so it's not visible. However, I have a category which is uncategorized, so I'll just add it. So, and I will also add my restore bin here, restorebin.com, and give it as a restore bin and add it to menu. So once you have added, you can even reshuffle it, organize the way you want, whether you want restore bin to be at the top or the category at the bottom, whatever. So in this way you can just reshuffle it, and then just click on save menu. So what happens is you have already selected the primary menu as well as you have added this. So let us go and check the site now. So you can see the restore bin and the category has been added. So this is the primary navigation where you will be all the links that you will add in that particular menu will be added into. So this is how you can customize the menu. So you can create multiple menus and use accordingly. So if suppose I created some other, say, sidebar menu. Say suppose I want to use it in the sidebar, then I can use a widget in which I can select this sidebar menu. So let me just add restoreben.com/about. So say suppose this is the about page. Add to menu and save. So this I would be going to use in the later part of this video. Now the next is adding and removing the widgets from the WordPress. So WordPress is filled in with a lot of widgets, and there are a couple of predefined widgets which are available. So these are multiple widgets that are there pre-installed in WordPress, and if you change the theme based on the theme and the plugins you install, the number of available widgets also increase and also might change. So in my case, if I go and visit the site now, so I can see there are a couple of widgets already added. So this is the search widget, recent comment, archive, categories, and meta. So if I see here the sidebar, all those widgets are already added. Say suppose I don't want meta or the archive widgets to be appearing here, so just go and click on delete, and archive, go and click on delete, and if you go and refresh this, so that two widgets will be gone. So in this way you can remove the widgets from the list. Now in case if I want to add any widget, so I will just go select the sidebar where I want to add. Say it's suppose the sidebar, give me a title, say it's like demo widget, and hit on save. Just go refresh here. So here you can see demo widget has been added. So this is how you can add and remove the widgets. So it has a multiple capability, like you can add the audios or the pages, and yeah, one thing that we added recently was the menu. So here you can see there is something called as navigation menu. Just click on add it and select the menu that I have created. So in just a while ago I created one menu which is a sidebar menu, and if I click save on it, come back and refresh here, so see my about page which I added there is reflecting here. So there are a lot of customization option. You can add HTML, you can add text, you can add tag cloud, all those things are available here which you can use and started displaying in the sidebar. So some themes also support adding the widgets in the footer, so you can use that as well. Now moving on to the next part, which is customize. So this is something which is really helpful. If you go to customize, you can see the real-time editing of your changes that you made on your WordPress site. Say suppose if I go to site identity, here you can add a logo as well as the site icon and change the title and the tagline. So here you can see it's Restore Bin Demo, and tagline is just another WordPress site. So instead of just, I would change it to Restore Bin Demo site. So the tagline has changed. Now if I have to add any site icon, I will just drag and drop. Okay, sorry, no, I cannot drag and drop here, so I need to upload it. So click on that, just go and drop an icon and select it. So skip cropping. So this icon is nothing but the icon which is appearing at the top here in the logo portion beside the title. So this is added. So you can even change the color, like if you want to change the color, page background, link color. So currently the link color is in blue, so let me change it to my brand color, that is red, FF3535. So this is changed to red now, the main text, everything. So you can also change the colors, you can change the header if you want to add any image or something like that. You can change the background image. Currently it's no image is added. So here also you have an option to change the menu. Say currently it's selected as the top bar, so if you want to add any other items, you can change it directly from here instead of going into the dashboard. And you can also customize the widgets as well here. So say suppose I added this demo widget and I want to remove that, just go here and just delete it. So that is gone. And additional CSS. So if you want to customize this on a CSS like the editor thing, then you can add some CSS here to make those changes. That is the advanced level that I would currently not suggest you to go into, because it's a beginner level video. So yeah, so all the changes made, you can just publish it and then close this, customize, and just refresh. So here you can see the changes, that the demo widget has been removed, the link color has changed to red, we have also changed the demo title description. So all those things have been done. And lastly, finally, we have something called as theme editor. Yeah, so theme editor is nothing but if you have the theme added, and if you make any changes here, so it will directly reflect on the main theme. So say suppose if I want to edit anything, like in the header I wanted to remove this restore bin demo site, so I need to first look up that particular PHP script which echoes that. So here you can see the class site description, echo description. So this, if I remove this one, this particular set, I think the description will be gone. Let me cut it, update the file, just refresh. So one thing is that you need to be very careful while editing any themes or editor files, because that will directly break your website, and I won't recommend to make the live changes in the original theme file. Instead, what you can do is you can use something called as child theme, which is a concept in WordPress based on the architecture, theme and plugin architecture. So using the child theme, you can make the customization in that child theme, and your the base theme, the parent theme, will remain stable. So if I go back and paste it again, update and refresh, so again my title has came back. So in this way you can customize your WordPress theme and change its appearance using the appearance tab. I hope this helps, and let me know if you guys have any questions or comments on this, and have a great day. Cheers guys, thank you.